Hello, everyone, and welcome to English Daily Works. Today, we'll practice shadowing with a real-life topic, car troubles and road problems. Shadowing is a great way to improve your English naturally. Simply listen and repeat what you hear. This practice can help improve your pronunciation, listening skills, speaking confidence, and fluency. Don't worry if you don't understand everything the first time. Listen to the lesson again and again. Repeat the words and expressions out loud until they begin to feel natural. Let's get started.
I am stuck in traffic. Repeat after me. I am stuck in traffic. My GPS is not working. This means my GPS is broken. Repeat after me. My GPS is not working. My battery is dead. This means my car has no power. Repeat after me. My battery is dead. I missed my exit. This means I didn't leave the highway at the correct road. Let's say it slowly. I missed my exit. I locked my keys in the car. This means I accidentally left my keys inside and can't get into my car. Repeat after me. I locked my keys in the car. I have a flat tire. This means one of my tires has no air. Let's try. I have a flat tire. I think I'm lost. This means I'm not sure where I am or where I need to go. Repeat after me. I think I'm lost. I can't find parking. This means I can't find a place to park. Repeat after me. I can't find parking.
Great job today. Remember, listening is only the first step. Repeat these words and expressions out loud until they feel natural and easy to say. The more you practice, the more fluent you'll become. See you in the next lesson.